Uh-oh, we got a little... Houston, we got a problem. Listen to it. Sucking up stuff. You are a dummy, you big dummy. You want to get vacuumed? Look at how much fur. Get it all off. Gotta get underneath. I think I should start a grooming business. I will vacuum your dog. There, you're a knucklehead. You're such a knucklehead. You're just a big knucklehead. Now let's see what happens if I do it to Angel. What about you? What about you? Huh? What about you?
Yeah, I don't think so.
You don't like it? Huh? Then you want to fight the vacuum? No. Stop it. Hey.